Hi guys, and welcome back to another Acti video. In today's video, we're installing the Moog bushings. Hi guys, and welcome back to another Acti video. It's been about 6 months now since I've owned the truck. I've done a lot to it. Restored the door cards, reupholstered the seats, did the bed liner. There's a ton of other videos. Check them out. I've done a lot of stuff. But yeah, there's one thing I've been putting off for a really long time. I don't know why. I've had the parts for a while. I just haven't done it. The Moog bushings, you guys saw from the intro. Yeah. We're gonna do these wheel bushings today, and then also get a photo of the truck for my new service book. So let's get started. It's a service book. You can keep all your maintenance records, part numbers, all that stuff. Keep it in here. And I designed it so that you can take a photo of your truck and put it in your book and really make it yours. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Okay, we're gonna let this develop, see how it looks. Since I've started working on this truck, I needed a good way to record all the service I've been doing. So I decided to create my own book, one that's small enough I know will fit right inside the mini truck glove box. Inside of the book you can track service, maintenance, part numbers, expenses, fuel consumption, and annual mileage. If you guys would like a copy, you can pick one up on Amazon today and help support the channel. So we got 2 bolts back there, and then 1 bolt to loosen up here. That nut was deep on there, and we had to use some foot power for leverage, but got it off. But now it's gonna be a while before that nut's gonna come loose. But yeah, we'll just keep working this nut off. This is what kind of sucks about working on cars and you don't have exactly the right tool. It just makes the job 10 times harder. So buy one of my service books and support the channel. I get like $1 kickback from it, so if you want. Finally got it off. Used a deep socket, ratcheting that for a little bit, and then mostly honestly used just pure arm power with the freaking wrench, 17 mil, and finally got it, the stupid nut. So now we gotta get the other 2 bolts off. I guess it's a 14. Okay, so we'll need a combo set here. Wrench and ratchet. I think we'll wrench on the top and ratchet on the bottom. I actually can't really fucking see back there, but I can feel. Ow. Fuck, I'm gonna have to kick it. Uh-oh. Nothing like good old foot power to get the job done.
Oh, that one's way easier.
Okay. There we go. Dinner's ready.
Dinner bell. My grandma used to have a dinner bell that she would ring right before dinner.
That's cute.
I know. Aww.
Okay, there we go. That should be... Ah! Come off it. Let me see. Maybe I'll just extract these bolts here. I guess I was right to be procrastinating this job for so long, because it actually kind of sucks. It's nowhere near the hardest thing I've done on the truck, but this is not fun. Okay, here's the rod. It's pretty dang rusty in there. Here's the bushing. Goodness me. spider webs. Oh, and a spider. Zoom in on him. He's been living in there. This is home. Zoom. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Yeah, well, he's being evicted. Shoo, sir. Oh, there he goes. Where'd he go? Oh god, I lost him. Alright, so it was kind of a pain in the butt, but all you really need for this job is a wrench and a ratchet. I've seen people use a ratcheting wrench, and I definitely want to get some of those now because this was a pain in the butt. But anyway, we used the 17 for the front nuts. Got those loose, broke those. Had to use foot power on this to push it. We got it. We also used some deep sockets and then shorter one too, because there's kind of not very good clearance. Yeah, it was a pain in the freaking butt. Had to use my legs a lot to get them off, but got the bushings out. The old ones are pretty dang worn. Just try and clean this up a bit. Ah, fuck it. Let's just shoot this with some rust reformer and call it a day. Alright, so I just gave these a touch-up of paint because they were really nasty. You can see, like, the rust just chewed into them. So, yep, gave them some paint. Should be alright. Gonna let these dry. Then, gotta throw some grease on there and stick the bushing on, and then, yeah, we'll try and get these bolts back in. So, here's the kit. We'll be using these. I just found this, says it's okay for wheel bushings, so hopefully that's true. If not, oh well. They only sold large gloves at the stinking Walmart. Looks like frosting. Cut! First time around. So, yeah, like this, the bushing facing like that way. And then this one on the exterior, the opposite direction. An old nut on the outside here. So the washer is gonna go with this rim facing you back on. I don't know how I'm gonna get this nut back on. So we might have to just jack this up a little bit to help get that bar in place. Okay, I think we got a little bit of it more. Actually got it started on a thread, so that's good. Being mindful of this rod back here wants to twist, so try and keep it flat. It's gonna twist up on you. You may even need an extra set of hands for this because it's a little tricky doing it by yourself. So there was some discrepancy as to whether or not to use the old washers or use the new ones from the kit. After some careful deliberating, I'm gonna use the new washers, and that's about how much I could get the nut tightened down, so I hope that's okay. Blue bushings for a blue truck. There they are. It's done. Thank God. That was terrible. And if you can see, it's now dark out, so that took many hours. So the bushings are complete. I was right in prolonging that repair because it actually sucked really bad. I don't know, didn't go smooth for me. That was terrible. A lot of jacking up, putting it back down, adjusting the bolts, adjusting the nuts. Wasn't a one-person job. Abby definitely had to help me a lot, so thank you to her. Love you. And yeah, that freaking sucks, but it's done. It's another job done on the truck. I'm gonna go do a test drive, make sure nothing's out of whack, and well, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one.